Underneath the open sky, a roof you can rely. Standing strong through wind and rain, installing it is not in vain. Standing seam, metal roof, guiding beginners, that's the proof. From edge to ridge, secure and tight, this guide will lead you to the light. Panels join, seams in line, ensuring quality every time. Measure twice and cut just right, following these steps with might. Standing seam, metal roof, guiding beginners, that's the proof. From edge to ridge, secure and tight, this guide will lead you to the light. With each screw and every snap, the roof will weather any trap. A shield above, a home secure, this guide will help, that's for sure. Standing seam, metal roof, guiding beginners, that's the proof. From edge to ridge, secure and tight, this guide will lead you to the light. So follow along, step by step, a solid roof, no need to fret. Standing seam, a job well done, guided by this installation guide you've won.